Okay, this is so funny. Where I checked this grocery store, look, the Carde Asada is still here, dude. Nobody cares.
Okay, welcome back to the channel, my people. So happy to have you here. Hope you saw yesterday's video. Hope you saw the day before's video as well, dude. We had a beautiful time, an amazing time at the Diecast Collectibles event at the Thrive Art District. Super fun time. If you're within an hour, you have to show up. I mean, even if it's a little bit longer, with the highways here in South Florida, it's so easy to get there. Come on, you guys are missing out if you're not going, dude. It's a wonderful time. I am getting ready to go live on Whatnot Collectibles. Here's your QR code, free $15. Start your account, get ready. We will be dropping the Whatnot exclusive Hot Wheel in tomorrow's show. Tomorrow, noon p.m. EST. I'll start the show. I'll go for as long as I can. And somebody is going to get, well, two of you guys are going to get the first exclusive Whatnot Hot Wheel. Shout out to them for doing this. It's very cool. Like I said, I really wish I could keep one, but hey, it's part of the deal. It's part of the contract. I don't get to keep one, you know? It's all good. Maybe they'll do something cool for us, you know, influencers. If not, whatever. I'm still very appreciative to be part of their program. All right, I know everyone, make some room here. I know everyone is curious about the Supra. If you saw yesterday's video, we did apply the glue. I probably used a little bit less than I should have. I probably should have used a little bit more glue. I didn't. Oh well. But here she is, the 97 Toyota Supra. Look, look, good to go, dude. See, hello, hello. It ain't coming loose, bro. It's good. It's good to go. But as you can see, I probably could have used a little more glue. And if I had a chance to do it again, I would have just, again, used more glue, let it run off, and then just use that paper towel to dry off the areas. Because we can see here, there's a little bit of an area that it appears like it's not glued. But I know that it is because, yeah, I did the check. Now, it's definitely glued. It could be worse, right? Like, right there. Boom. Good to go, right? Or good on the Supra. And we can compare it to the Typhoon, which we have right here. So, they obviously are doing it in a way where you don't see any extra stuff. So, I did it right in certain areas, especially across the top. But hey, stuff happens. It's all good. I'd rather have it sealed and back where it's supposed to be, looking how it's supposed to be, than having a loose RLC car with a blister card. I mean, I'm not really an opener. You guys know that. I like my stuff sealed. But comparing the two, all good. All good. It could have been worse, right? At least our Supra is nice and safe. All good. And speaking of opening stuff, all right, you guys asked for it. We have 4 Kaido house items that we can open right now. I'm going to pick 2 of them, and then we'll save the other 2 for tomorrow's video. All right, guys, we can open, let's see, what should we do? I believe, I don't remember. I don't think we had the carbon version. I know we got that from the Diecast Collectibles toy show. Shout out to the FLORIDAMan, of course, for throwing that. I would love to see the Silverado dually. Oof. All right, let's do the EF. So, yeah, I would love to do the Silverado. Let's open the EF. We'll check out the Civic EF and the Japan police car. Shout out to John Dam for sending us this stuff. It's been sitting on the table since he sent it. I absolutely love it. I even found one of my Daytonas that has a damaged card, the GameStop exclusive. Like I said, there is no series number like you would see on a normal Hot Wheel. Hello? Here we go, right here. So 199 out of 250. As you can see, the real GameStop exclusives do not have a series number, which is very cool. It's a shame they stopped doing it. It was such a great time checking GameStop for cars, but I think those days are over. All right, let's start off with the R34 R34? Oh, wow, that's cool. Yeah, R34, guys. Kaido house. Let's do it. I'm gonna cut all of the plastic and stickers. And I did see your comment. Someone's like, come on, man. Kaido house are made to be opened. Especially the Mini GT Kaido house stuff. Absolutely made to be open. That's what we're gonna do. Oh, wow. TSM model. Very cool little license sticker there. All right, here we go. Car culture. What? Kaido house car culture for all scales? Okay. Hello? We know that's a Hot Wheels thing, but that's cool. That's cool. What do we got here? Dude, imagine if that would have been a chase. That would have been so cool. All right, here we go. Nissan 000 on the top. Hello? Can you come out of there, please? Thank you. All right, let's check it out. Remember, guys, with Mini GT, you have to be very careful. It's very easy to pop some of the stuff off, like the exhaust, these lights, the mirrors, anything could happen. All right, there she is. A beautiful Kaido house base, as we are used to. Wow, look how fat them back wheels are. Holy cow, dude. That thing's cool. That is a cool police car. Does the hood open? Wait, hello? I guess not. Well, I guess they did so many other cool details. Dude, there's a roll cage inside the police car. Wow. Shout out to John Dam, dude. That is awesome. Let's check the EF. Dude, I cannot wait to see this. I did see somebody was selling these at the Diecast Collectible event, and he had the whole case out, and you could possibly have gotten a chase. He even had a little sign. Which I'm pretty sure he did after watching my video, and I purchased something from the man, and I was like, hey, can we get a chase? Can we get a chase? He's like, well, maybe, I don't know. So I'm pretty sure he put that sign up saying possibly a chase after watching the video from the show. Well, good. Happy to teach people. All right, so I pulled the plastic on the EF. I did cut the things. What's gonna happen here? Dude, imagine there's a raw in here. I mean, it could happen. It could happen. These are all sealed. Okay, all good. All good. I kind of would rather have the teal version since it's an actual Honda factory color. So very cool. Wow. Dude, Works and I have been talking about both that and this for the last month. He's trying to work out a deal where we can get like some in bulk. So we'll see what happens. But shout out to my homie Works, bro. Primo, my Primo. Hey, Primo. What's up? What's up, Primo? Anyway, all right. Sorry to brag that I have such a best friend. But yeah, all good, dude. This thing is incredible. Over fenders, fat tires. Does the hood open? Show me a... Oh, yes. Wow. Dude, that's so cool. It has a VTEC B-Swap engine in there. No way. Dude, we all know they came with single cams, right? Single jingles, they call it. The old single jingle. Wow. No, that's impressive. That's an impressive little die cast. Shout out to John Dam for sending me this box. Again, we have the Kaido house base. I'm not seeing as much rainbow as usual. But, okay, dual exhaust. Cool little plate. All right, dude. That is awesome. Dude, shout out to John Dam. You're the man, bro. I cannot wait to see these two cars right here. All right, get ready. We're going to do another Whatnot show, and I do have lots of cool stuff left over. As you can see, neon speeders. We have the yellow EK, the S15, the Gold SI, Honda Civic Custom, Mustang Shelby. Oh, there's even a cool Kombi. Heck yeah, I think it's a Hello Kitty. Yep, Hello Kitty cool Kombi. There it is. Wow. Wow, old Datsun 620, the 2000 Skyline. So much cool stuff. These are treasure hunts right here. Premiums, Hot Wheels IDs. I am super happy to have the RLC Supra repaired. And in the protector, it looks normal. Like in the protector, it totally looks normal. Nobody would know. Nobody would know I did that. Except for you guys. Don't tell anyone. All right, huge shout out to John Dam. I know this video is a little bit shorter, but we are on the whatnot grind for the next 2 days. Tomorrow's show starts at noon, 12 p.m. EST, which I know is a little bit early for some of you guys, but we will have the whatnot exclusive dairy delivery Hot Wheel in the show. We're gonna do a dollar start on number 14, and I will give away number 63 for free. You do have to be in the show. Again, here's your QR code right here for a free 15 bucks. You could start your profile, the dairy delivery, whatnot exclusive Hot Wheel. I mean, it's incredible. I do know that Diecast Dad got number 1 of 10 out of the chases. I don't know if it's rigged. I'm like, yo, how did he get that? Is it rigged or was it just luck? What do you guys think? Leave it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Get ready. I'll be live on Whatnot in an hour, maybe less. Watch the noties. And of course, we are doing another show tomorrow at noon. So hope to see you guys there. Really appreciate everyone. Can't wait to see you in the next one.